Welcome back to Quizzations. Today we are playing Would You Rather Say Bye to This or That? Let's get started. Would you say bye listening to podcasts or audiobooks? Would you rather say bye to sushi or tacos? Would you rather say bye to chocolates or donuts? Would you rather say bye to coffee or soft drinks? Would you rather say bye to breakfast or dinner? Would you rather say bye to jeans or sweatpants? Would you rather say bye to tattoos or piercing? Would you rather say bye to camping or skiing? Would you rather say bye to Netflix or YouTube? Would you rather say bye to air conditioner or heater? Would you rather say bye to iPhone or Android? Would you rather say bye to pizza or burger? Would you rather say bye to shopping or dining out? Would you rather say bye to ice cream or French fries? Would you rather say bye to movies or TV shows? Would you rather say bye to cooking or cleaning? Would you rather say bye to makeup or accessories? Would you rather say bye to TikTok or Instagram? Would you rather say bye to reading books or listening to music? Would you rather say bye to traveling or parties? Would you rather say bye to smartphone or laptop? Would you rather say bye to coffee or tea? Would you rather say bye to earbuds or smartwatch? Would you rather say bye to beaches or mountains? Would you rather say bye to concerts or sports events? Would you rather say bye to biking or hiking? Would you rather say bye to football or cricket? Would you rather say bye to swimming or running? Would you rather say bye to board games or video games? Would you rather say bye to shopping malls or online shopping? Would you rather say bye to public transport or private car? Would you rather say bye to baking or cooking? Would you rather say bye to gardening or fishing? Would you rather say bye to roller coaster or water slides? Would you rather say bye to winter or summer? Would you rather say bye to sneakers or heels? Would you rather say bye to weightlifting or cardio? Would you rather say bye to wearing glasses or contact lenses? Would you rather say bye to mystery novels or horror novels? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.